We're over here right now at the Fast Food Arcade. If you guys aren't familiar with this one, it's over at the Pop Century Resort, guys. So as you guys are walking in, first thing that catches me is that Marvel logo on top of this little Marvel thing here that takes the pictures that's spinning around the circles. You've got your Pop Century Resort logo right on the video game. And as you're looking in, very, very big arcade. This one actually is very surprising. Every time I come over, I think I'm gonna go in and film this little arcade, and it's actually huge. I would put this one up there with the game station from over at the Contemporary Resort. But you guys can, as you see looking around, there's a big mix and match of everything. You've got your massage chairs, they all have them. You've got your video games that are mix and match, from snowmobiles to the old Typhoon over here, to the motorcycles, tractor trailers. You've got just about everything in here, which is nice. In the back, you've still got your basketball hoops and stuff like that, but you can see how deep this arcade is. The mix and match is nice because instead of coming in and being shortchanged with not a lot to offer, it has quite a bit. I will say though, if you guys are bored and this is where you're staying, and to cut in there quick, they also have the Wicked Touring game. But if you guys are getting a little tired and bummed out with the resort you're at, you can jump on buses, boats, jump in your car. You can go visit different arcades throughout Disney. So if this isn't the resort for you with the arcade, jump in a bus, head over to another resort, go over to the Contemporary, go over to the All-Star Resorts. There are a mix and match of arcades spread out through Disney. Every resort has an arcade. Now you do got the Beach Club and the villas that share an arcade, but for the most part, most of them have at least one arcade in them. The smaller ones being like over at the Boardwalk, which were little teeny tiny arcades. If you guys are looking for the arcade resorts or the resort tour, go into countrybeartours.com, hit on the resort tab, and then click on the resort you guys want to see. The arcades are always mixed in there with them. But once again, this is a look around of everything in here, how deep, how big this arcade is. It's over at the Pop Century. You got the pinball machines over here. This game here is one of my favorites, but as always, this is another arcade tour at the Pop Century Resort, guys.